In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a template creator in CapCut. We'll walk through the exact application so you know what to expect and how to submit everything confidently. Start by opening your browser and going straight to capcut.com partners/template creator. This is the official CapCut template creator application page, and it's the only place you should use to apply. Take a second to confirm you're on the real CapCut site. Look for the secure connection indicator in your browser and avoid lookalike pages. This page is the main gateway into the template creator program. Once you're there, scroll through the program details. You'll see a quick overview of what the template creator program is and how creators earn money based on template usage. The more your templates are used and exported by others, the more you can earn. When you're ready to proceed, click Apply Now. That opens the official CapCut US Creator Program application. Read the introduction carefully at the top. CapCut explains that creators design reusable video templates, and compensation is tied to how often those templates are used and exported. Note a few important points while you read. Applicants are typically 18 or older. The program is mainly for US-based creators with rare international exceptions, and any personal information you provide is collected only for application and collaboration purposes. Next, enter a valid email address. Use one you check regularly, ideally a dedicated creator email so all CapCut updates stay organized. This is how CapCut will reach you about your application and future communication. You'll then be asked how you found the program. Choose the option that best fits. Maybe you saw an announcement on Discord or Facebook, a post on social media, discovered it in the CapCut app, or heard about it another way. There's no wrong answer and it doesn't affect your eligibility. Confirm whether you're over 18 years old. Select yes if you're 18 or older, or no if you're not. For US applicants, being over 18 is required because this is a paid program. Before submitting, review your entries for accuracy. When everything looks good, click Submit. Your application will be sent to CapCut for review. Finally, keep an eye on your inbox for updates. Response times can vary depending on how many applications they're processing, so be patient and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. That's the process from start to finish. If this walkthrough helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more CapCut tips and tutorials.